Namaste and welcome to Scientifically Sattvic. If I were to tell you that you can cure 90% of the health related problems which you are facing today by just changing the way you eat, would you believe me? You have to. Because I am telling that I have personally cured so many of my health related problems, be it my weight, my oily skin, my hair fall issue, my PCOD issues, my depression, my anxiety, and many more health related issues I have cured just by changing my diet. I cannot stress enough how much important your diet is in your life. Our brain is such a powerful tool that it can work on its own. It is such a powerful mechanism. Is your brain controlling you or you are controlling your brain? What is the scenario in your life? I'm sure the scenario is that your brain is controlling you. Let me give you an example. When you wake up, what kind of mornings do you experience? Do you experience a wonderful, energetic, full of joy, full of energy kind of morning? I really don't think so. Most probably, you must be experiencing a morning in which you are tired, lethargic, you are cranky, you are furious, and you don't know why, but you are irritated. You seem to scream on every other person you meet. Do you really think this is how mornings were supposed to be? I mean, just tell me how fundamentally wrong your life is if you or your mood is dependent on a cup of caffeine. How stupid is that? See, Mother Nature has provided us with so many natural food options that there is literally no need for you to go to the grocery store and buy all the packaged food that we get, all the namkeens, soda, Diet Cokes, samosas, muffins, sweets, and whatnot, the juices. Each and everything you buy which is packed is literally rotten food. It is not fresh, it is not meant for you, it is not supposed to be inside your body. Trust me guys, believe me, you really have to understand that whatever Mother Nature has given to you, as fresh as it is, that is what's supposed to be inside your body. And whatever Mother Nature has not given to you, it is not supposed to be in your body. You really have no idea right now what kind of damage these decade food does to you. All the juices, all the biscuits, these are kept for 24 months, 12 months. The Maggie which you eat, you have a living body with yourself and you are providing it dead food. I myself used to think that I used to eat all those packaged food myself, but I realized these things. I understood the science, I understood the living behind it, that these food, all these packaged food, these are dead food. And how can you expect a dead food to provide life to your body? Obviously your skin gonna look dull, obviously you're gonna feel tired, lethargic, weak. Obviously these are nutrient less food. They are not going to provide you any kind of support, any kind of nutrition to your body. Why do you want to eat a food which is, number one, making you fat, number two, making your skin look ugly, making you look more older, making you feel lethargic, giving you no nutrients? Why do you want to eat such kind of food? I know guys, changing your lifestyle is not a very quick decision. It doesn't happen in a day. It is a whole process, and most importantly, this process is more of your inside process. It is something which you need to understand. You need to realize what kind of person you are right now and what kind of person you will be. Because I was a totally different person. Believe me, I have changed my eating habit by living this kind of lifestyle, that it has literally changed my way of thinking. To think each and everything. In fact, the way I look at food is totally different. I don't think food as a pleasure thing. I have understood that food is not a pleasure to your body. You have to understand that food is not supposed to make you feel good. we all say that oh, mera mood off hai, let's have a chocolate, let's go somewhere and have this or that. You need to understand your body requires food only because it needs to function. That's it. It is just a source of energy and nothing more than that. Anything more than that which you are giving, it is just your pleasure. You need to understand that your food is supposed to provide you energy. Your food is supposed to provide you nutrients. It does not have to give you lethargy. It does not have to provide you weakness, or it does not make you feel cranky. If your food is doing all these things to you, if you are sleeping after you eat, that means there is something wrong in your diet, the way you eat, at the time you eat, and how much you eat. Trust me guys, in my next video I will be sharing the exact lifestyle of how you can change your life by living this